Rhinoceros 1. Javan rhinoceros, Rhinoceros sundacus, location, Indonesia, Ujung Kulon National Park, Java, estimated population, fewer than 75 left. Y rare, habitat loss and poaching for horns. Rabbit 2. Amur leopard, Panthera pardus orientalis, location, Russian Far East and Northeast China, estimated population, around 100 to 120 individuals. Y rare, poaching, deforestation, and habitat fragmentation. Gorilla 3. Cross River gorilla, Gorilla dili, location, Nigeria Cameroon border, estimated population, about 250 to 300. Y rare, hunting and loss of forest habitat. Tropical fish 4. Devil's Hole pupfish, Cyprinodon diabolis, location, a single pool in Death Valley, USA, estimated population, around 100 to 200. Y rare, lives in one of the most extreme, tiny habitats on Earth. Bird 5. Kakapo, Strigops habroptilus, location, New Zealand, estimated population, about 250 individuals. Y rare, flightless parrot nearly wiped out by predators introduced by humans. Cat 6. Vaquita, Facuina sinus, location, Gulf of California, Mexico, estimated population, less than 10, critically endangered. Y rare, accidental entanglement in fishing nets. Turtle 7. Yangtze giant softshell turtle, Raphetus swinhui, location, China and Vietnam, estimated population, possibly 3 or fewer. Y rare, habitat destruction and water pollution. Deer 8. Saula, Pseudoryx netenhensis, also called the Asian unicorn, location, Vietnam and Laos, estimated population, possibly under 100. Y rare, rarely seen, lives deep in forests, habitat loss. Bear 9. Ili pica, Oxytona iliensis, location, Tianshan Mountains, China, estimated population, fewer than 1,000. Y rare, climate change shrinking its mountain habitat. Penguin 10. Northern rockhopper penguin, Eudiptes moselei, location, Tristan da Cunha and Gough Island, South Atlantic, estimated population, rapidly declining, now endangered. Y rare, ocean pollution, climate change, and overfishing.